So here's just a quick shot of the 87. I just did a video about putting these 17x11 wheels on it. They fit pretty darn nice. The car is in good shape. It's been running. I'm going to drive the heck out of it this year. Today I'm going to be working on the 89. So what I'm going to be doing is brake job. Not exactly a brake job. I did the brake job last year. Today I'm going to take the calipers out. I'm going to put in some braided stainless steel lines, and I'm going to use some equipment I bought a couple years ago. I'm going to sandblast and powder coat the calipers red. This is a Z51 car, so it has the J55 heavy duty brakes. I'm not going to bother upgrading to the C5 brakes, not on this car. So yep, I have everything I need. I have all the components to rebuild the rear calipers, everything to rebuild the front calipers. I just have some bleeder covers, and then I have the skip shift eliminator for the ZF6, and then here's the braided lines, the stainless steel lines. So what I've done already this year, it's not much, but I'll show you. I've been working on a project that involves weather stripping. So I've purchased a bunch of stuff from the Corvette rubber company, and well, they don't do door felts, but I have done the door felt. But what I got from them, what I've done this weekend, I'm working on the videos right now, but I have the weather strip around the door shell. I did it on both sides, and then if you can see in here, there's a windlass on each side, and I replaced those. I am working on those videos. I have in the mail coming the A-pillar and windshield molding is on its way, and I do have some molding projects lined up for the 89. I'm going to also be doing the windlass moldings. It's hard to see, it's a little dark in here, but I'll be doing the windlass moldings in the 89, and I need to do the rear hatch moldings in the 89. Original Speedline Z06 wheels on the car. If you've noticed other cars I've had on the channel, I just really like these wheels. I think they look great on the C4, and they fit perfectly on the C4. Here are the front wheels, the American Racing front wheels, 17 by 9.5, that are going on the 87. I'm just waiting. I had to have custom wheel spacers made for the front. When I put C5 brakes on the car, the American Racing wheels will not clear the brakes, so I had to buy spacers. I didn't want to go any thicker than I needed to. I only needed a ½ inch of clearance. Problem is, they don't make wheel spacers that narrow, so I custom ordered some. They're going to be 3/4 of an inch. I also put a new steering wheel in the car. I do have a video for that as well. I just haven't got around to doing it. The other project I have, this is going to look pretty ghetto, forgive me, but I'm going to be putting 6x9s in the doors. Now this is just bolted in temporarily just so I have music coming out of 4 speakers, but I'm going to actually make a mold and make a fiberglass panel that's going to fill in this hole and fit the speakers perfectly. The reason why the hole in the door is so large is that's how big it needed to be cut to remove the factory Bose speakers. So let me show you this. So here, whoops. So here is how big the opening is in the car, and then how big the actual Bose enclosure is. It's rather large. I worked on that stereo project last year, and I tried a couple different things with subwoofers and was never really happy with that. So I'm just gonna settle for 4 6x9s. I do have a 4-channel amp, so everything's gonna be good there. Well, alright guys, so stay tuned. I have a lot going on, a lot of stuff already started, a lot of videos to edit, And right now, the next project, or the current project today, is going to be calipers. All right, guys, stay tuned.